Hey everybody, Mr. Pappas here, sitting on my porch. Beautiful Thursday morning. Just wanted to give you an update on kind of where we've been, what we're doing today, and where we're headed in the future. Um, where we've been, the analysis work that you've been doing with those TED Talks has been really solid. And just so you understand, I mean, obviously, debate is something that we wish we could be face to face on. It's really hard to do debating when we're remote. But the analysis work and kind of thinking about other people's arguments and analyzing those arguments is essential to being a good debater. And so critical thinking is important, obviously, to good debating. So you've been doing a good job. A couple of tips on those. Some of you are writing very short responses, and in order to really meet the expectations of the assignment, you need to be responding much more thoroughly. So, one sentence or two sentences to answer a question like, "What are the main ideas of a speech or a presentation, or what are the speaker's main arguments?" One sentence is not enough. That's a summary of their argument. I'm looking for main points. So the more precise you can be, the more specific, the better. That's what the assignment is meant to do. So, so you're going to continue to see those kinds of assignments as we move forward. After spring break, I'm going to find ways for us to actually engage face to face. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that with debate, but you can expect that. Expect that I'm going to ask you to probably upload some videos of yourself making some presentations. And there'll be some opportunity for us to have like a group dialogue, probably in small groups of maybe 7, 8 students at a time with me. So that's what's coming up and where we've been. For today, I just want you to watch this video and just know that if you have any missing assignments, that you can do those. Feel free to do those and submit them through the forms and portals or whatever that you from the assignments. I mean, like complete the assignments, the e-learning assignments, and then send me an email to let me know that you did them, so that I can go back in and give you a score for the work that you've done. Um, I think that's it. The other thing is, I've seen a couple of you for office hours over the course of the couple of weeks. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm on office hours every day, but you can send me an email and say, "Hey, Mr. Pappas, can we meet?" and name a time. I mean, it's like I'm home, so we can set up a separate video call if you need to talk about an assignment or work your way through. Um, so keep in touch. Let me know how you're doing. And if you have any questions about any of the assignments or what we're about to do, what we're going to do, let me know. All right. I miss you guys, and I hope you are well.